This is Akashvani. The news read by Anita Anand. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called for scaling up successful strategies, reaffirming India's commitment to eliminate tuberculosis TB. He also lauded the significant progress made in early detection and treatment of TB patients in 2024. The Prime Minister chaired a high-level review meeting on the National TB Elimination Program at his residence yesterday. He also reviewed the recently concluded 100-day TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan covering high-focus districts. During the meeting, the Prime Minister stressed the need to analyze the trends of TB patients based on urban or rural areas and also based on their occupations. He said that this will help identify groups that need early testing and treatment, especially workers in construction, mining, textile mills, and similar fields. The Prime Minister also highlighted the importance of cleanliness through Jan Bhagidari as a key step in eliminating TB. Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnav inaugurated new state-of-the-art design facilities located in Noida and Bengaluru. Highlighting the uniqueness of the new facility, Mr. Vaishnav stated that this is India's first design center to work on cutting-edge 3-nanometer chip design, a milestone that firmly places India in the global league of semiconductor innovation. The minister highlighted that a key feature of this center is its capability to design 3-nanometer chips among the most advanced in the world and end-to-end within India, marking a first for the nation. Mr. Vaishnav also announced the launch of a new semiconductor learning kit aimed at enhancing practical hardware skills among engineering students. Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gavai will take oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India today. President Draupadi Murmu will administer oath to Justice Gavai at a special ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan this morning. Justice B.R. Gavai will succeed Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna, who demitted office yesterday. Born on 24th of November 1960 at Amravati, Justice Gavai joined the bar in 1985. The tenure of Justice Gavai will end in November this year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in a recent televised address to the nation, laid out a clear and resolute doctrine for dealing with terrorism. Operation Sindoor is the centre's clearest articulation of zero-tolerance, no-compromise policy to safeguard national security. Central government's every move from suspending the Indus Waters Treaty to launching military strikes on terror camps was carefully planned and timed. The 3 core pillars of Prime Minister's doctrine include decisive retaliation on India's terms, zero tolerance for nuclear blackmailing, and no distinction between terrorists and their sponsors. Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave a strong message to Islamabad, saying that there is no place left in Pakistan where terrorists can breed in peace.
पाकिस्तान में ऐसा कोई ठिकाना नहीं है जहां बैठकर आतंकवादी चैन की सांस ले सके। हम घर में घुसकर मारेंगे और बचने का एक मौका तक नहीं देंगे। और हमारे ड्रोन्स, हमारी मिसाइलें, उनके बारे में तो सोचकर पाकिस्तान को कई दिन तक नींद नहीं आएगी।
Hailing the success of Operation Sindoor, the Prime Minister said India has destroyed 9 terrorist camps and eliminated over 100 terrorists in Pakistan. The Prime Minister lauded the courage, valor and professionalism of the armed forces in protecting the nation during Operation Sindoor. The Akash Tir air defence system stands as a formidable pillar of India's self-defence capabilities. It played a critical role in intercepting and neutralizing all inbound Pakistani drones, missiles, micro-UAVs and loitering munitions, effectively preventing any breach of Indian airspace. Believed to be the first operational AI-driven war cloud developed entirely without foreign components or satellite dependencies, Akash Tir showcases India's growing technological self-reliance. In Khelo India Youth Games, Maharashtra has surpassed 100 mark in the medal tally, winning more medals in new events on the 10th day. Maharashtra, with 120 medals in its kitty, continues to dominate the medal tally, including 46 gold and 38 silver. And that is the end of this news bulletin.